Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name is Ed Miles and today I'm going to be talking about the new for 2018 RUKKA Down X jacket. Now some of you might have seen the Down X jacket in my Navala video. This is the lining from that Navala suit, but we have been asked to make this as a separate product because people are after that mid layer that's nice and warm from RUKKA. So let's talk you through a few features of this. So we've got a full down jacket. So you're looking at 90% down, 10% feather, so it is a proper down material. We're not talking about something synthetic or cheaper. These are proper high-end materials built into this jacket. YKK zipper all the way down the front and an arm system that opens, allows the arms to be popped inside so you can wear it as a vest as well. This can be used under any RUKKA jacket. So if you're just looking for that nice warm inner lining, it's the warmest lining we do to go inside your jacket. You can slot this inside a Calyx or an armour tee, any of those products at all, so you're going to get that warmth. Also comes in a small stuff sack like this one. This has actually got the trousers inside it, so we do the jacket and the trousers. Trousers slightly different. They're still the same 90-10 ratio of down and feather. They're still very, very warm. But at the bottom, just underneath the knee, you've got an area of Outlast. Outlast is a phase change material. When you get hot, you melt the wax beads in that material and it pulls the energy away from your body. When you get cold again, it goes solid and gives you the energy back. That's on the bottom of the leg to go inside the boot, keep that shin area nice and comfortable in different weather conditions. So that's built into the bottom of the Down X trouser. So you've got the jacket and the trouser can be worn inside any RUKKA suit to keep you nice and warm in those cold weather conditions. It is the warmest lining we do, can be used as a mid layer or as a standard layer underneath the jacket. For any more information, please go to tranam.co.uk or see our Facebook page, Bikerheadz.